Hello everyone. We're going to do another sack today, and I was going to try to do it kind of fast and not carry on too long. So as always, I start with finding my base. You can do it directly on the sack, but I usually try to find a base and build from there. This was just a piece of scrapbook paper, and I just put some white paint on it. So we'll just glue that down. And this is the Yoo-hoo, I don't know how to say that, but it's really good. I like it. It sticks really good. And just make sure that I get around all the edges and then the middle, because this is the base, so if it comes off, then I guess everything comes off. Oh, that should be good. And this sack, I can't remember the exact size of it. I did look, though, where I got it on Amazon, and they turn out to be around 30 cents each, I believe, especially since I had bought it in bulk. I see that I'm a little bit over there, but that's okay. I'll cut it when I'm done. And then my vocal point is going to be this girl. I think this was just done on a coaster, paper coaster, which I have done several of those. I might even sometime just do a video on the coasters, because I have tons of them and I really like doing them. So if we put that there, and then we get a little bit of this stuff that I seem to use a lot. Maybe bring in a little bit of gold. I like to kind of lay it out and get an idea of where I'm going to put everything before I start gluing it all down. I've got this little heart that's really cute, and a little bird. Maybe we could just put it like that. And this is that paper that when you tear it, it is all fluffy. I just love that. So if we put that there, I guess we could put a same. I have one here that says "Make Today Beautiful." I like that. That can go there. And I have some of this. It's wrinkled, and I don't want to go and iron it, so I think that maybe I might be able to glue it down so that it doesn't look like that. And maybe put that across the top. I might move some of that down. That looks a little high, so. Okay, well, let's glue then. I don't know if I need that one now. This is the glue that I use. I put it in this little container, and I think it's really, really good glue. Oh, I think I have one more thing that I could add. Maybe put that right there or something. And then I'll use a different kind of glue for that. So, okay, let's see if we can start gluing and decide which glues that we want to use. I think I had that about. I had brought it right about right there. Okay. This gold paper just came from some envelopes that I bought, years ago at the Dollar Tree, believe it or not, back when things were $1. I don't remember how many came in a sack, but there were several, and I, to this day, I probably wish I'd bought more, because it always adds a little color and sparkle. Okay, I'm thinking that we should, let's go ahead and glue. Okay, yeah, let's glue these on and then make her last. Oh, I was going to do the ribbon. I think I'll use, well, I can use the same glue. I'm just going to go across the top here with this glue and see if I could put it on and get the wrinkles out of it that way. I guess that's just being lazy, but I don't even know where my iron is. I have one, but then I'd have to find the ironing board and everything else. Oh yeah, I think that'll work. I think I got the wrinkle out. I don't know. I should have probably used that other glue. This will work for now. There we go. I'll just clip that off. There. Clip this side off. Okay. Yeah. And then I said I was going to do this one next. And I'm going to go ahead and use this. It's called Fabra Fix. And it is really a good glue. It really holds everything down. I'm just going to do it on the ends here where I can see that there's a place to glue. Just fit it kind of like that. And we were going to put this on also. I'll use this glue for that. I guess I kind of always have 3 glues in front of me. And just depending on what I'm gluing down is how I choose which one. Because if we don't want anything to fall off, we'll put it right there. Okay. Let's do this. I think I might kind of do around the edges of this a little bit. There we go. I'll put that up a little bit high because I think this one here takes a little extra room. Now the foam mounting squares, I just picked these up at the Dollar Tree also. They're squares and sometimes they're kind of big, and if they are, I just cut them in half. I think, and sometimes I may use 2 of them. I think that's what I'll do is cut them in half and stack them. Make them just a little bit more to stick out. Just so that it's not laying down on the page where it just looks flat. Okay. That work? Let's see, we'll cut this one in half. And we'll put it over here. Peel that off. I suppose they sell some that are a little bit thicker, so you wouldn't have to do this. It's, I guess, a little bit time consuming, but it's not hard to do. Okay, put that there. And put this one on top of that one. I think that I have a tool here. Maybe it'll always make it easier. I thought it's not that bad to pull that off like that. That's not working. Oh, I see it in there. There it comes. The sticky on here is pretty good, but I think I will probably put a little bit more glue, just to be on the safe side. Like I said, you don't want it all coming apart or coming off. While I'm doing this, I want to tell you too that I appreciate it if you comment down below. I kind of like to know what you think, or where you're from, or if you enjoyed watching this, or if you learned anything. I just know that I enjoy doing stuff like this and thought that I would just share it. Okay, let's use this Fabra Fix glue that it's a little bit stronger. I mean, you could use hot glue guns. I don't use those unless I that one came off again. Unless I have to. I don't. Oh, that is not going to stay there, is it? Well, I know what. We'll just put a little glue there. Maybe that'll hold it down. Just keeps grabbing hold of my finger. I have glue down, so we should be okay when I go to push it down. Okay, we'll put some glue on each one of these, even though they're already sticky, just to be sure that it's not going anywhere. Okay, come over just a little bit, up just a little bit. How about right there? And push on those four corners. That just kind of brings it out a little. I like that. Let's put this heart. I must have made this for something else because it has a little hole in the top. I don't remember what I made them for. Put that right there. And I like this bird. I'll just put it right there. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Now this thing that I thought that we could stick up here, I really like it. It's a little flower. Little curlies on it. A little leaf. Kind of matches, I think. Okay, we want to use the Fabra Fix for this because it's a little bit, well, it's not too heavy. It's all paper, so it's not heavy, too heavy, but that's how I usually make my decision about which glue to use, is just how heavy it is. Okay, we'll put that right there. All right, and then we can trim this down here at the bottom that was a little bit too long. I don't want to cut the sack. No, it's close enough. Okay. Now we can go around the edges with it's called the Distress ink, and I like the vintage photo. I use it a lot. You can spray water on them and kind of revive them if they kind of start losing their ink in them. Okay, that's probably good enough. I always like to make sure I get my glues with the lids back on, because boy, if it dries out, that's no fun. Okay, now okay, I hope you like that. And see, that didn't take very long at all. And if you need to give a gift, and I think I have some tissue paper. I also bought that on Bought that on Amazon because I thought it matched really good. Can you see that? See, that's just a perfect little gift. Didn't take very long. I hope that this inspires you to get you a sack and just start creating. And next thing you know, you've got a gift ready to go. Well, thank you for watching today, and we'll see what we do next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.